I know. We know. We're sorry. It's not you. It's really Bryce. It's his fault. But thank you, seriously, for wandering back into the channel. We know it's been a while, but we're here to provide some updates. We're gonna start with life updates first. Bryce is still doing nothing, as you can tell. We'll get to that in a second. Davis recently moved to Portland. Big career opportunity for Davis. Some of you guys might not believe this, but we actually have jobs outside of recording every day of the week and then not uploading anything because we don't really know what we're doing. Yeah, we do have jobs outside of this. And then kind of with everything systematically and everywhere we're at, and we hope you guys are all being safe. My job does involve healthcare, and I have been in crazy situations with just work, and so things for us have like really sped up. There's been a lot of great opportunity, and we hope everybody is taking the precautions they need as well. I'm still in Seattle. I haven't moved anywhere. I see Davis pretty frequently still, but things have definitely gotten a little crazy in the last couple of months. So that leaves us with the cars. I still have the GSX. That car will never go anywhere. I hope you guys know that. It's not here with us right now, but we sell the GSX. We sell the CTSV. CTSV will always be named Dale, also not going anywhere. And believe it or not, we still have the Galant. The Galant is done. We did not die while we actually took it on its first maiden voyage as a 5-speed. We did come close. I think one of the wheels was about to fall off, and this way our legs started doing some really weird things, but we made it through, and we are still alive. The Evo, on the other hand, it doesn't have a motor or a transmission or a transfer case in it. It also doesn't have calipers, but you will probably see a roast video on Bryce later. However, the E92 is gone. The E92 was sold right as Davis was moving to Portland to one of our good friends that is local and also a follower of the channel, so you guys will probably still see that pretty frequently. But Davis did buy something new, and we'll cut to that. So, I'll show you guys a little bit about the car, and you will notice I'm probably wearing different clothes, and that's because this is clearly shot on 2 different days. But, here's the GTR. Not a lot has been done to it. When Davis first got the car, there's a few things he wanted to do. You'll notice it does not have the OEM trunk on it anymore. Davis he went hot boy and decided to get his carbon trunk, and then he got it painted. Additionally to that, there was some residue, some moisture in the headlight that he did not like. I don't think anybody liked it. It was basically like the Pacific Ocean size headlight. So he did have an OEM installed by me. And then there was also a spot where the previous owner had ran a front license plate, and it did damage the front bumper, and he had that repainted factory gray. So now the car is pretty much back to its original state with no big issues cosmetically. When he did get the car, it had some pretty destroyed Dunlops on it, and so being the hot boy that he is, he decided to put some Michelins on it. So the car does hook really well. And lastly, kind of the big thing that he did do is he did take it down to English Racing. Had our boy Aaron, big shout out to English and Aaron, retune the car, and the car now is fast enough that it officially trumps the CTSV. So I hope you guys enjoyed the GTR. I'll let Davis get some more shots of it. So a little bit about the mods that are done on the car. As you can tell, Davis is really attracted to Hot Boy stuff, so there are some Turbo Excess headline Turbo Smart blow-up valves on it. Cool fact is that Nissan actually used the same style. I'm not sure if they're identical, but it's the 1G DSM blow-up valves. It also has ETS intakes, which are kind of hot boy, kind of not hot boy. And also, I guess you could talk about the headlight being like brand new, because it is pretty fancy. And on top of that, he also does have downpipes, mid-pipe, and a straight axle back, I guess. And that pretty much is the car. It's exhaust, intake, wall valves, and then a Cobb Access port tuned by English Racing. So that pretty much wraps up for the mods up here. I'll go ahead and show you guys the trunk. This is a common hot boy debate. I don't know why everything's hot boy lately, but it's a common debate in the Happy Hour garage because I don't like GTRs without the trunk, and neither does Bryce. But because Davis owns the car, he gets to do really dumb things like this. So maybe you guys can tell us what you guys think. So I don't know the exact make of this thing, but I know that it was probably it was enough to make Davis want to do it. I don't know what to say. Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. We're back in the speed shed now. And the reason why, well, I don't know why we're in the Eclipse, to be honest with you. We just kind of ended up here. But the reason why we're wearing different clothes is because this is actually a different day. And we're not really very good at this because we didn't shoot an outro. And Davis was editing the video that you just saw. And it's like Thursday night at like late. And now we're shooting an outro.
We should do scripts. We should start writing scripts or something.
You need a script.
And
We don't. Davis, I don't. Well, Davis doesn't talk.
I improv.
Yeah. That's why we can't use half the film that we have, though. So anyway, before Bryce ruins this, I'm going to keep going. Thanks for tuning in with the GTR. We'll have some content on that soon. We'll have some updates here shortly, kind of around the other cars going on. We do have some good news and bad news. But we do hope that you guys are staying safe given everything going on, and hopefully you're taking whatever measures you need to hold the people next to you close and safe as well. So we will try and pump out some content soon to keep you guys kind of entertained as you work from home or have some extra free time on your hands. So hope all you cool cats and kittens are taking everything easy and doing well, and we'll see you next time.
Carol Baskin killed her husband.